we're fully finished with breakfast. So I had 2 of the little pancakes with some Nutella, and I think they're just like the pancakes was at Splash Landing. They're not great, they're all right, but they're not amazing. I had a little mini muffin, and then I've had some melon and orange, but the oranges have got huge pips in them. I nearly choked on it. Matilda, you had 2 pancakes with Nutella as well, didn't you? And a mini muffin. She tried a bit of sausage, but you didn't really like it, did you? The bacon was very, very crispy, like American crispy bacon. Yeah, which was nice, but Matilda didn't really like it. So you had some Cocoa Pops, didn't you? And then Daddy had like a full English, didn't you? But it was all right, wasn't it? You don't even like black pudding, do you? Matilda's saying that a full English should have black pudding with it, and because it wasn't black pudding. No, even none of us like black pudding.
Well, considering it's free.
Yeah, considering it's free, it's fine. Like I said, I wish there was more. I don't really like a full English breakfast, so I wish there was more kind of... I don't know what I would want, because I suppose I did have pancakes, and there is fruit, there is yoghurt, there is cereal.
Nicer pancakes and maybe some waffles.
Yeah, I think maybe like some nicer pancakes, and maybe like some waffles. And then even like, like there's no cheese and ham selections, so you couldn't like have a cheese croissant. And I think they had a bit more fruit, so there was melon, orange and bananas. I wish there was like strawberries and blueberries, because I kind of like that with granola and yoghurt, and there was no granola or anything. And then I think they should have maybe like pancake, they should have maybe like some waffles as well, and like scrambled egg, so you could have like scrambled egg on toast or...
Scrambled egg,
But Aunt said you thought there was scrambled egg at Splashland, and it wasn't nice, no. But I think maybe just some more fruit, some granola, and just bits more... better pancakes, yeah, maybe some like little potatoes, I mean, like you said, some ham and cheese. But considering it's free where you stay, you can't really moan, can you, because it's free. And it was nice, it wasn't that it was horrible, just that we would have liked... And what I ate, I'm full, so it's not like I'm not full. I've got me a latte, did it twice because the cup didn't seem to be filling up and there's no actual milk in it, so I don't actually know what is pressed. But it's not a latte. So we're going to go back to the room, aren't we? You've already took 1 case to the car, haven't you? And some stuff. So we're going to go and take the rest of the stuff to the car, check out, and then I think we're going to have a go at the mini golf, aren't we, missus, before we go swimming?
We would like to just show you the view.
I've showed the view, don't worry, because it's only 8:25, so our breakfast reservation was 8 o'clock, but we got here at 10 to 8 and they let us in, didn't they? So now it's 8:25 and the water park's not till 10. So we're going to go and check out, and we'll see you at golf.